Hi everybody, Nadia Anderson, your 31 swag bag chick here, and I'm just back from our 31 Gifts Conference, our national conference with 11,000 other ladies that were able to go from Canada and the United States, and we're now opening up to Puerto Rico and to Mexico here pretty soon. I'm so excited. But anyway, yesterday you might have seen me share this big pink ticket. And I'm so excited to share with you what this is all about. So, I have a couple of questions to ask you guys. Do you know how long I have been with 31? And does anybody know why I started? I'm just going to share with you real quick, just to give you a recap in case you forgot or in case you're new and you have no idea. So, I have been with 31 Gifts. This will be my 6th year on September 2nd. And I started because I love the product, but because I needed extra help with diapers, wipes, and formula for Jason when he was just born. Now, over the years, 31 Gifts has helped me do a lot more than that. My why has not changed. It has always been my family. But it has taken me on vacations. It has helped pay off my husband's car. It has helped pay off my car. And it has helped me pay for things for my kids, like their sports. So my goal, my why is still my family. But I also have a new goal that I wanted to share with you guys. So just recently I found out that I know that there are other consultants in Las Cruces, but there are no other directors, which means all of us ladies are traveling to Alamogordo or to Tucson, Albuquerque, or El Paso for our Connect meetings, our Celebrate and Connect meetings every other month. So my new goal is to be a director with 31 Gifts so that I can have those conferences here, so I can have those meetings here in Las Cruces. Now, you're asking, what does that have to do with this pink ticket? This pink ticket is about to change somebody's life, and I want to be serious about it, but super excited about it, and I don't want it to go to waste. Like, I'm so excited. This could be somebody's blessing right here. So my point is, everybody has something right here in their brain, in the forefront of their brain, whether it's a wish or a goal or a dream that they want to accomplish, but they haven't done it yet. Either the timing's not right, or the price isn't right, or you guys have dreams, whether it's to travel, whether it's to retire, whether it's to go on vacation, take your family on a dream vacation, whether it's to save to go back to school and start a new career, or to meet new people. Whatever your goals and dreams are, everybody has them. I know I want to. Another thing that's kind of in the back of my mind is I want to write a children's book. I want to be an author. I'd say a published author, but I'm already published, so no. I mean really published, like known, okay? But what I'm saying is everybody has goals, everybody has dreams, and they're right here. And for whatever reason, we haven't met them yet because we don't have the money, we don't have the time, we're too busy, we're too afraid, whatever. It's right there, it's just out of reach. And maybe some are farther than others, but that doesn't mean that we're still not dreaming about them and wishing about them. So I want to share with you, when I started 31, I was only rewarded with bags, which is amazing because I love the bags. Hello, bag lady. But that does not help me reach my goals and my dreams. That's not the best reward for me if that's not my why. And that goes for anybody else. Well, 31 got smart, and they realized that if their goal is to celebrate, encourage, and reward us the way we need to be celebrated, encouraged, and rewarded, they needed to reward us with things that were meaningful to us. So I realized that, Be my husband calling me right now during my live video. Sorry. So they got smart, and they realized they needed to reward us. And so this year they came out with this wishes come true rewards. And it really is a way for us to meet our goals and our wishes and our dreams to come true. Okay, so what I'm saying is, if you love 31, if you love the bags and you love the company and the message, then this is for you. Because it's not a scheme. It's not a pyramid. If it were a scheme, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be doing it for 6 years. Hey, Pat. And so what I'm saying is that now 31 has come out with these wishes and dreams rewards that, as a consultant, when you work your business, no matter how small or how big you work your business, whether you sell $75 here and $75 there, or you sell a $1,000 party there, it doesn't matter. When you work your business, they reward you. And instead of it just being in bags, which is great, hello, bag lady, but it's not just that. So you'll get your commission, but then you also get your rewards, and you can choose whether you want to use them as a Disney rewards points, a Visa check card rewards points, so that you can use it towards a vacation, you can use it towards to pay a bill, you can use it to go shopping, you can use it on whatever you want. Or you can use it for business supplies to help increase your business if that's still your goal and your why. So the biggest hurdle has always been the kit. It's a $99 kit. Not everybody has $99 all the time, just right there, boom. And we've offered $1 enrollments, but those enrollments never came with any product. It's kind of hard to sell something that you don't have to show. Well, at conference yesterday, on the last session, they gave me this pink ticket. And it's the opportunity for me to offer this to one lucky lady who's genuinely serious about reaching her goals and her dreams and making her wishes come true, and taking advantage of this opportunity of 31 seriously. But instead of paying $99 for their kit, you get to get the brand new fall 2018 enrollment kit for $15. It's over $400 worth of product, ladies, for $15 in beautiful new prints. And they have a deluxe kit, which is $179. But with that pink ticket, you can get it for, they'll give you a credit for $84 off. And I know, Pat, I know you're interested. That's why I tagged you. And not only that, but if you're the winner of this pink ticket, you're gonna be getting a brand new exclusive celebration 15-year anniversary notebook and planner from 31 Gifts that was given to us at conference. You can't buy it, you can't get it in the stores. This is special. It has a place for all the notes, for all of your new note taking and things that you're going to want to keep track of as you're learning your new craft. And it has a planner for you to keep track of your parties and your dates and the things that you want. And it has a planning pages for you to keep track of what are your goals for that month and how do you plan to do them, and check marks and checklists. And from me, you'll be getting a brand new National Conference sticker sheet to help decorate it, make it fun and pretty. And a pen in your favorite, whether you want black or pink. They both write black, but they write amazing. So, I know you guys are thinking, I don't know. I don't know if I could do it. I don't know if I'd want to do it. The truth is, it's not just about being a salesperson, because I'm not a salesperson. I just love bags, and I love what this company is about, and I love the message, and I love the camaraderie and the sisterhood and everything else that comes with it. And I love that it's helping me meet my goals, and I want to share that with my friends that I see struggling with their wants and their dreams and the things that they want to do, and they haven't been able to. I have some friends that are this close to retirement, but they're still teaching because they haven't quite met a place where they think that they'll be able to live comfortably. I have people that want to travel, but they don't. I have people that want to, go back to school. It doesn't matter what your goals and dreams are. I just know that this pink ticket could be the biggest difference for you. But I don't want to waste it. I don't want to give it to somebody who just wants the product, and that's it. Because that's not going to help you reach your goals. It's not going to help you reach your dreams. It's not going to help me reach my dreams and my goals. And I feel like if I just give this away as product, then I'm robbing somebody else of an opportunity that could honestly change their living situation one little step and piece at a time. And what I love so much about this company, I'm sorry that I'm emotional, but I just got off the plane from all of this, and it's just new and fresh in my brain, and I was there with over these 11,000 people hugging each other and sharing with each other and lifting each other up. I've been with this company for 6 years, and I haven't gone as far as I've wanted to because I've been scared. Why? What am I scared of? Failure? It's $15. The worst that could happen is you give it a shot, you get some free product out of it, you get a paycheck out of it, and then, it was something that you tried. What are you afraid of? So to be entered into this drawing for this amazing opportunity, this $15 kit, over $400 worth of product, the support that you get from me and my team and my business, everything else that I talked about earlier, I want to know that I'm giving this to somebody who really needs it and it would be a blessing, and who's taking it serious. So in order to be entered into this drawing, I'm going to ask you to do something for me. I want you to think of 3 people. 2 people that are your friends or your family that love you and support you no matter what it is. That when you say, hey, I'm going to take on this new journey, I want to use this to help me meet my goals and my dreams. I want you to think of those 2 people that will say, yes, I support you, and I will host your first party for you. So you have 2 ladies, and that's 2 parties, so that I can help you get off to a great start. Okay? And the 3rd person I want you to think about is one person who you know loves 31, or you think might love 31. That might like this opportunity or might need this opportunity too. Because if they decide to join with you, you will be building your businesses together and helping each other along the way and growing at the same time. It's kind of like having an accountability partner when you go to the gym. You can have great ideas and say, hey, I'm going to do this, but if you go by yourself, you're always going to cut yourself a little bit short. You may not run as far, you may not do as many sit-ups or pull-ups or whatever, but if you have somebody right there by you saying, hey, do 5 more. Come on, we can do it. Let's do it together. Or, hey, you said you were going to run a mile. We're going to run a mile. Come on, don't stop, don't quit. It's kind of the same for your business. So comment with those three people. The first 2 being the 2 people that you know who will be your support. And then tag the 3rd person being the person who you think that this opportunity, this pink ticket, this opportunity to be part of this team would bless their life. if they are not a part of this group, of the VIP group, they're not going to see that you tagged them. So I need you to do me a favor. If it's not letting you tag them, please, at the top of the page, there should be a place for you that says share group. Share it with them in a private message, not a group message. Nobody loves group messages. Send them a private message, share the group, and say, hey, this is what I'm thinking about. What do you think? Have them join the group so they can see the video. And I'm going to give it 24 hours. And tomorrow afternoon, I'm going to draw and see who's the winner of this big pink ticket. I cannot wait to see whose lives are going to be changed. And even if you're not the winner of this great big pink ticket, if your name's not the one that's drawn, I want you to think about how that $99 could really help you. I love you guys, and I'm so excited for this, and I hope you are too. I'm sorry I got a little emotional. It's just insane. It's crazy. I love it, and to be honest, I'm a little bit tired. So I'll talk to you guys soon. If you guys could wave to me so I can see kind of that there's some people on, but I'm not seeing anybody specifically. Please like wave or say hello or say something so I know that that you were here. I'll talk to you guys soon. Good luck. Bye.